Okay, so just got off a call with a client and we were going over some of the 2024 sales numbers and kind of strategizing for 2025. So I figured, kind of before closing everything up here and heading out, just to share some of that with you. We also talked about interest rates. We also talked about where we think the market is headed for this year. So yeah, I'll just fire off some numbers. Now, I'm going to keep it very general. 416, Toronto, 905, the surrounding area. I'm just going to give you some sales numbers. For the 416, a detached property in November on average sold for 1,695,000. Semi-detached, 1,248,000. Townhouse, 904,000. Condo apartment, 713,000. For the 905, the average detached in November sold for 1,369,000. Semi, 956,000. Townhouse, 889,000. And condo, 637,000. So year over year, from November to November 24, prices for detached went up 3.9%. Semi went up 1.7%. Townhouse, 0.8%, and condo minus 2.5%. So there is a bigger increase on the detached. But this is just the 905. These are general sales numbers. If you get more area specific, then there will be quite a bit of variance depending on the area. So as an example, for the municipality of, let's say, Mississauga. Now, the average sale price in Mississauga was 1,425,000, right? So compared to the 905, which is 1,369,000, that difference of 65,000 is different because Mississauga tends to be a little bit more expensive. We also talked about interest rates. So the prime rate is at 5.45%. So your mortgage is going to be affected based on the 5.45%. Now, it will vary based on if it's variable, fixed, which bank it is there a promotion going on? So there's going to be a big difference there. Now, January 29 is when the Bank of Canada will be announcing this month. There's a total of 8 announcements this year. And according to the prophets or the gurus or whatever you want to call them, they say there's going to be 2 rate cuts only this year. So a quarter and a quarter. That's the general consensus out there. Now that can change on a dime. These are just predictions. And for January 29, according to some of the predictors, bond markets, and other professionals, they predict a 25 basis point cut. Now, that's a 70% chance, so that means 30% chance nothing could happen. But these are affected by geopolitical, economic, regional, all these things come into play. And yeah, thank you for taking the time and watching my video, and I'll see you guys soon.